The V8 is dead. The iconic guttural roar that has been the soundtrack to American performance for over half a century has been silenced. The rumble that shook pavement and stirred souls has been replaced by a whisper. For many, this is a moment of mourning, the end of an era. But for those with eyes on the horizon, it's something else entirely. It's the sound of revolution. Because from the ashes of the gasoline-powered muscle car, a new god of speed is being forged. It's sleeker, smarter, and more brutally fast than anything that has come before it. And its name is Camaro. Welcome back to New Car, the channel where we don't just report on the future of cars, we dive headfirst into it. Today, we're talking about the most controversial, the most radical, and arguably the most important transformation in the history of the American automobile. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro. And if you're picturing a familiar shape with a big block up front, you need to forget everything you think you know. Chevrolet hasn't just updated the Camaro, they've redefined it for a new world. And in doing so, they've created a machine that will either be hailed as a visionary masterpiece or condemned as the day the soul died. Let's be clear, this was not an easy choice. The Camaro is more than a car. It's a cultural icon. It's a symbol of raw, untamed power. But in an era of electrification, of instant torque and silent speed, the old formula was becoming a relic. Chevrolet faced a choice: build a museum piece or build the future. As you can see from these images, they chose the future, and it is breathtaking. The design language is a complete departure. Forget the brutish, square-jawed, muscle-bound look of the previous generations. This 2026 model is all about aerodynamic purity and predatory elegance. The silhouette is low, long, and impossibly sleek. It's less of a classic muscle car and more of a four-door electric super coupe, a shooting brake designed to slice through the air rather than push it aside. The proportions are still undeniably Camaro, a long dash-to-axle ratio, a wide planted stance, but the execution is pure science fiction. The front fascia is the most dramatic statement. There is no grille. In its place is a smooth, contoured carbon fiber panel that flows seamlessly into the ultra-slim, horizontal LED daytime running lights. The main headlights are hidden, recessed deep within the fascia, only illuminating when needed, giving the car a menacing, asleep but ready-to-strike look when it's off. The illuminated Chevrolet bow tie sits proudly in the center, a beacon of this new electric identity. It's a face that doesn't just look fast, it looks intelligent. Move to the side, and the craftsmanship becomes apparent. The bodywork is made of a mix of high-strength steel, aluminum, and composite panels, all sculpted to manage airflow with obsessive precision. The character line that runs from the front fender is sharp and defined, flowing into a muscular rear haunch that hints at the power within. The door handles are completely flush, popping out electronically as you approach, contributing to an astonishingly low drag coefficient. The wheels are massive 22-inch forged alloys, but they aren't just for show. They are active aero units, with carbon fiber covers that automatically adjust to optimize cooling or maximize efficiency. This is a car where every single surface has a purpose. The rear is just as bold. A full-width light bar features a unique animated sequence when you lock or unlock the vehicle. The tailgate is glass, hinting at the practicality within, but below it, the design turns aggressive. A prominent carbon fiber diffuser dominates the lower bumper, with vertical fins that manage airflow and create genuine downforce. And of course, there are no exhaust pipes. The silence is the final, most powerful design element. This isn't a car that's trying to pretend it's something it's not. It's a confident, unapologetic vision of the future. But the true revolution happens when you open the doors. Stepping inside the 2026 Camaro is like entering the cockpit of a fighter jet merged with a luxury GT. The driver is king here. The entire cockpit is wrapped around you, with a low seating position and a squared-off, flat-bottomed steering wheel that feels both modern and purposeful. The materials are a stunning blend of motorsport-inspired function and sustainable luxury. We're talking about Alcantara on the dash, doors and seats, contrasted with real carbon fiber and brushed, darkened aluminum. Even the plastics are premium, with a soft-touch textured finish that feels expensive and durable. The technology is seamlessly integrated. Gone are the days of a giant tablet stuck to the dashboard. Instead, you get a single, curved piece of glass that serves as both the instrument cluster and the central infotainment screen. The graphics are crisp and customizable, with several performance-oriented layouts. You can have a minimalist display with just speed and power, or a full data logging screen that shows G-forces, battery drain, and torque distribution. The climate controls are managed by a sleek row of metal switches below the screen, giving you tactile feedback without cluttering the space. It's a digital interior that still feels analog and connected. The seats are engineering marvels. They are lightweight, carbon fiber-backed buckets sculpted to hold you in place during hard cornering, but they're also heated, ventilated, and offer 18-way adjustments for long-distance comfort. This is a car that can attack a racetrack on Saturday and cruise across the country on Sunday. The rear space, thanks to the clever fastback design, is surprisingly practical, with enough room for 2 adults or a generous amount of luggage, making this a true performance car for the real world. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast. The reason for this radical transformation. Beneath its stunning body lies General Motors' advanced Ultium platform, housing a state-of-the-art battery pack. Chevrolet is expected to offer a range of powertrains, but the one everyone is talking about is the top-tier model. Let's call it the ZL1E. This is not a gentle eco-warrior. This is an electric predator. It features a dual-motor, all-wheel drive system with one powerful motor powering the front wheels and another, even more powerful unit driving the rear. The combined output is frankly absurd. We're talking over 1,000 horsepower and a soul-crushing 1,050 pound-feet of torque, available instantly from a standstill. The 0-60 mph time is projected to be in the low 2-second range. That's faster than a Bugatti Chiron. It's a level of performance that was once the exclusive domain of million-dollar hypercars. And it delivers this speed with the silent, relentless fury of a falling meteor. There's no wheel spin, no drama of a gear shift. Just an overwhelming, seamless surge of acceleration that pins you to your seat and reconfigures your perception of what fast truly means. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The low center of gravity from the floor-mounted battery gives it a handling prowess that no internal combustion Camaro could ever dream of. Combined with an advanced active air suspension and magnetic ride control, it can carve through corners with the precision of a scalpel. The battery pack is also large, promising a range of over 400 miles, and with 800-volt fast charging capability, it can add 100 miles of range in less than 10 minutes. So, who is this car for? It's for the person who grew up dreaming of Camaros but now lives in a world of technology and performance. It's a direct, unapologetic challenge, not to the Ford Mustang, but to the Tesla Model S Plaid, the Porsche Taycan Turbo S, and the Lucid Air. Chevrolet has redefined the battlefield. It's no longer about who has the biggest V8. It's about who can harness the future to create the ultimate performance machine. The 2026 Chevrolet Camaro is a risk, a massive billion-dollar gamble. But it's a necessary one. It's a car that respects its legacy by refusing to become one. It takes the core DNA of the Camaro, accessible, outrageous performance, and reboots it for the 21st century. The purist will scream, the traditionalists will mourn. But make no mistake, this is the most exciting, the most relevant, and the most important Camaro ever built. They didn't just kill the Camaro, they gave it immortal life. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Is this the stunning future of the American muscle car, or an unforgivable betrayal of its heritage? If you enjoyed this look at the next generation of speed, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to New Car, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next breakthrough story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.